Hello students, we are studying here unit number 1, knowing our numbers. And we have solved in previous classes exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. And now we are started already exercise 1.3. And in today's class, I am going to explain you question number 2 from exercise 1.2. That is, if a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 4. Verify a into in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So we have to verify this. Verify this means we have to prove it. We have to prove it. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. If given conditions are there, a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 4. So students, means in questions given there, verify. Do verify means you have to prove that. For this you have to take first left hand side and solve by the given values of a, b and c. And after that take right hand side and put these values, the same values in this also and solve. And after solving, if you get the same answer of left hand side and right hand side, that means it prove. Okay, so I will explain this problem how to solve this, and by this explanation you try to solve another problems like this. Okay students, give proper attention. Solution. In front of solution, first of all, what conditions are given in question in problem, you have to note it. Given there, a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 4. From questions you will copy this. Now you take left hand side of verification. Left hand side of verification is a into b plus c. So we will take this left hand side is equal to a into b plus c. How will guess that this is left hand side and this is right hand side? Before is equal to sign, before is equal to sign, which values is standing, with the equation is standing, that is the left hand side, and right of equal to sign, it is right hand side. So first of all you will take the left hand side, that is a into b plus c. Now you have to put the values of a, b and c. So what is the value of a? A is equal to minus 4. You put there instead of a minus 4 in bracket, because of that is a negative integer. So whenever you get the negative integer, put it in bracket. Okay, so minus 4 in bracket into, this is in bracket, value of b is 5 and value of c is 4. So instead of b we will write 5 and instead of c we will write 4 and plus sign, copy here. Okay, in next step minus 4 will copy, and first of all we will solve this bracket. So addition in first of all we solve the bracket. First of all we will solve this bracket, and 5 plus 4 we know 5 plus 4 9. And in next step we will multiply these two numbers. First of all we will multiply the signs, minus plus, no sign in front of 9, that means here plus sign, minus plus minus plus minus, and 4 9 are 36. This is the answer of left hand side. Okay, and now we will take right hand side. Right hand side is a into b plus a into c. From this I put, students, you can see here, this is the right hand side of equation. This is a into b plus a into c. We will take this in front of right hand side. We will write right hand side and we will take this. Okay, so now let's solve this right hand side. So instead of a we will write the value of a, that is minus 4. So instead of a we will write here minus 4, multiplication sign, copy, then b, value of b is 5, then plus, copy, plus, then a, and again we will write a value, that is 4. So negative value always you put in bracket, into value of c is 4. Now let's solve. So first of all we will solve this minus 4 into 5 plus minus minus, no sign, that means here plus sign, minus plus minus, and 4 5s are 20, simply. Then copy, plus sign, again we will solve there, minus, no sign, that means here plus, minus plus minus, and 4 4s are 16. First of all you do the calculation of sign. Okay, after that solve the numbers calculation or multiplication. Okay, next we will remove now this bracket. Minus 20 copy, then minus plus, what will come? Minus 20 minus and copy number 16. Minus 20 and minus 16 will get the answer minus 36. Minus same signs are there, so minus will come here and that absolute value will add. So 20 plus 16 is 36 and their sign will come minus 36. So by the solving this, we can see the left hand side is also minus 36 and right hand side also minus 36. So we can say here the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Since the left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means A into B plus C in bracket is equal to A into B plus A into C, proved. Okay, students. So you try to understand this by this explanation and try to solve like these problems, another problems. Okay.